Concerning the overall impression of this championship, I am very positively pleasant and positively impressed, because you have here in Bosnia and Herzegovina a wonderful river Buna. You have a great river Mostarsko jezero, which is used also as a competition sector for our championship. So you have actually provided us fantastic resources for fly fishing. We, together with my colleague, Vice President of FIPS MOUCHE, Eduardo Ferrero, we have been working very hard on the first competition day to include the results into our computer program, a lot of catches. Of course, the overall amount of catches being caught during the session is slowly going down from session to session, but still I'm pretty sure that also today, which is the last competition day, the competitors will catch a lot of fish, which only confirms how perfectly prepared is River Buna for our activities. We of course put each fish we catch back to the water, because we are based on the catch and release only system. So we are putting all fish caught back to the river. Fly fishing combines together within one activity various aspects. First aspect is that could be attractive for young is that it is on competition level physically demanding, you know, going to the place where you catch the fish, going back with the fish to the bank, put it for measuring, and again there and back and forth. So it is physically demanding on one hand. On the other hand, it's technically demanding, so you must really achieve a level of mastership, how to present the fly, how to catch the fish, how to land the fish, which is also demanding on the young guy to learn all of these skills in order he can achieve, or he or she can achieve, a certain level of mastership. And last but not least, it is also technically demanding, because each these young competitor must tie their own or its own fly to be used, which is also a great challenge for them to show their invention and to tie exactly the precise fly that is suitable for that stretch of the river where they are catching in, right? So there are various aspects why I think it could be interesting for young people. You know, at the end, I would like to address a few words to the local people, mostly to the local people, because what I have seen here in your region, I was touched, really deeply touched, that you have such a marvelous places, such a marvelous Buna River Vrelo, okay? That's such a place that I've never seen before. Such a crystal clear water coming out of this cave, that's something I've never seen before. And I'm afraid that local people who are familiar with that river like a normal on daily business, you know, they live here and for them Buna River is just a normal river. But for us coming here, it is something outstanding and very unique. And I would like you, as a local people, to care for that area, to care for the fish you are having in your waters a special way, to be aware of the fact that you have actually a treasury here in this region, a treasury, and you should act accordingly to that.